Setpower sent me this electric cooler, refrigerator, freezer, so that I could review it. And so I want to take the opportunity to use it now since I'm doing my meal prep. And I want to show you all the features of this refrigerator slash freezer. So it has a very sleek design. The handles are built into the sides. And it also has a lid that reverses. So I can put this lid this way, or I can take it out and I can put it in this way. And that way it gives me the versatility to put it in the back of my van, and I can be inside my van and open it up. Or I can go outside my van, flip the lid, and I can open it up from there. So it also has a built-in fan. It's only 35 decibels, and a place for your cord. It has your on and off button and your up and down buttons for your temperature control. And here is where your AC cord goes. And they also have a DC 12 volt cord that also fits in here. So I'm going to flip this around. And it's very lightweight, as you can see. It only weighs like 24.3 pounds. And I need to flip this around because I'm going to plug this up into my power station. But let me show you the inside. On the inside, you have this small shallow tray that you can put, things like yogurt or fruit or something like that. And inside here there is a fillable water tank. You fill this up with water and you put this on freeze, and this will keep your food cold for 50 hours once this is frozen. Like if you have a power outage or something like that, this refrigerator will keep your food cold for 50 hours. You can use this in eco mode, econo mode, and it only takes 28 watts in econo mode and 40 watts in max mode. So my EBL power station, it's only 500 watts, but that can handle this refrigerator. It also comes with an energy guide that lets you know how many kilowatts a year it uses. The estimated cost is $21 for 173 kilowatts. It comes with a user manual that's pretty darn simple to read and understand. It tells you all about its intended use. It tells you all about the specifications, the latch where everything is located on it. It tells you how to operate it. And it tells you the battery protection function. So it's pretty useful, and also for troubleshooting and your error codes. And if you had to call Setpower has 24/7 service, customer service. It also has a 3-year warranty. So that's excellent. So right now I'm going to go ahead and fill this with water, and I'm going to set it on freeze and see how long that takes. And this top, it just screws out and back in. Make sure you put it on there tight so nothing spills out. So let me give you a close-up of the tie-down straps. These strap holders right here, in case you're going off-road or something, you can get straps to go fit in here, and this will hold it down for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on refrigerator mode first. And I heard this a long time ago that someone told me that it's better to use the 12 volt for this. I decided I'm going to put it in refrigerator mode first. Let it get to about 38, and then I'll see how it gets to the freezer mode from there. And I'm going to use my EBL 500 watt power station. So let's turn it on. And it is at 72 degrees right now. So I'm going to see how long it takes to get to 38 from here. And I'm just going to put my timer on my watch. And I'll let you see how long it takes in a minute. If you listen real closely, you can hear the motor, but you really can't hear it. And if you look at my EBL, it's running about 29 watts right now. So I set it to 37 degrees, and we'll come back and look at it. So we're down to 52 in 20 minutes. Power station is now using 42 watts. So guys, we are now at 37, and it took, let me put my glasses on. And it took about 33 minutes to get to 37, okay? So now I'm going to turn it down to about 5 so I can put it in freezer mode. Oops. We'll put it about 5. Now we're at 34 minutes, and we'll see how long it takes to get down to 5. We are now at 5 degrees, and it has taken an hour and 25 minutes altogether. And we are showing 39 watts, and we're on 94% on this EBL 500 watt power station. So that's not bad. So let's check inside. And this is very cold. It's not frozen, but it is cold. And if you look closely, you can see the ice forming in freezer mode already. So that's pretty good. So now we know that the Setpower will freeze. It will get the temp in about 33 minutes. It will get to freeze in about an hour and 25 minutes. And it does form a little bit of ice. So we are good to go as far as that is concerned. Don't forget that Setpower has a 3-year warranty. I will put a link in the description box below so you can get a discount off of this electric cooler, refrigerator, freezer. And I also will put one on the screen so you can see that as well. And that's it for the Setpower. We're all set.